Today's video is on healthy reasons to start a garden. Some of the healthy reasons you should have a garden is just because of the movement of going outside, being outside, the flexibility it allows, especially when you're in your older ages, and that little bit of extra movement's going to help. And being outside with nature and getting sun and getting fresh air really helps anybody at any age. Not only that, a lot of the health benefits from the foods you'll be eating are highly, highly medicinal and not just helping you get better from being sick, but also helping you prevent getting sick in the first place. We're not bulletproof. We're not human beings that are never going to not come down with something, but you will reduce a lot of the ailments, a lot of the illness, a lot of the disease that comes from eating foods not grown by you, not cooked by you, not made by you, and expecting someone out in the outer world to feed you. And I promise the foods they have waiting for you out there are not medicinal. Quite opposite, in fact. Some other health benefits of having a garden is just by having your hands in on something that's living, taking care of something, watching something from seed to fruition is a very energetic, positive, and good feeling thing. And it's not perfect, but it definitely feels good when you put in the effort and you get back a result that actually benefits you. There are no illusions about it. Commercials might try to sell you on bullshit and have to lie to you, but your garden and the food that you grow came from God and from nature, and they weren't BSing when they made these things for your body to thrive highly. And if you want to do anything in your life, you're going to have to need those energies. You're going to have to need the ability to keep going for a longevity so that you can fulfill your purpose on this planet. You sputter out at 30, 40, 50 because all you did was eat junk food. It's not going to feel very good, and you won't be fulfilling your life's purpose. You'll be fulfilling somebody else's. Going into some of the times that we're going into and things getting harder and things getting scarier out there in the world with different types of either wars or even just economical turmoils, whether at home or from a far, far land, far, far away, or a sea far, far away, you're going to want the skills to sustain your health and to prevent starvation. And I promise you, if those kind of things go down, the government isn't going to be there to help you very much. They're going to be too busy. It isn't to scare you, it's just to prepare you. Those who are scared about it are unprepared. They're caught up in other things, celebrity gossip and what was on last night's TV show or last night's talk show and all of those things. They're distracted when the real world is going on outside your home, outside your state, outside your country. It's global. It's getting crazier. And having a garden is going to be a great idea, even if it's just a little that you have growing and you help with your other neighbors, get them on board. And if anything were to happen, you guys would have a lot better chance of sustaining yourselves. And if nothing ever happened, you'd still be able to take in those nutrients and also build community and become a better neighbor than a neighbor that never talks or even has anything to do with the person that lives next door. That is not community. And it's not just healthy for you, it's going to be healthy for your family. You're going to teach them things to help sustain them when you yourself are no longer able to do it. They can come in and help you and then teach their kids. And then have those communities that do those things together. For good times, for bad times, we're going to stick together. And a garden is a very, very strong community building tool. And I'm sure some of you are already growing your own gardens. Maybe you're experiencing things I haven't quite mentioned you'd like to share about, as I myself like to learn from you. Learning is another reason to be out in the garden, getting to learn stuff. You learn new things, helps your brain grow new neural pathways so you don't have a decaying brain as you age. It's still young, vibrant, healthy. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you got a little bit of ideas to get out there into the garden. I know Maxie here can't wait to get out himself. Ready to go out into the garden? He likes the garden.